What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to clean the Tundra up, throw on some color matched door handles and some color matched mirror caps, get rid of that chrome because I really don't like it when there's nothing else chrome on the truck. And then we even got a wireless winch controller from a friend of mine for the farm truck, so we're going to try and throw that on and just have a good productive Sunday all together. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm hoping the driver's side's going to go a little bit easier. I went ahead and did the passenger side. That way I kind of know what I'm doing. I actually broke part of it. The good thing is I broke the part that's coming off. It wasn't that big of a deal. That's going to come off real easy. Yep. And I didn't break any of it. So you've got tabs kind of here, 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 and all along the bottom here. And it just pops that off. I believe I was going to be in my video. I believe I was going to be in my video. Some of this film pull back some. We'll peel it all the way off once I get this popped on.
John Levi, get back here.
Just line it up.
Now.
Say that and it's not going to. Alright. That one fits a whole lot better than the passenger side. Passenger side's a little wobbly. There we go. Mirror caps are done. Let's see if we can move on to those door caps or handles, whatever you want to call them. All right, so got my T30 bit. Just gonna use it in my hand because it should just be hand tight. Shouldn't need a ratchet. I'm just gonna, just by hand. You're gonna loosen that T30 screw all the way out as far as it'll go. Like I say, they're stoppers, so you don't have to worry about it falling down in your door panel. And then you should just be able to grab this right here. Give it a little wiggle. Might have to loosen that T30 a little bit more. So I'm trying to do all this one-handed and film this for you guys too, so that some folks might be interested in doing this can figure it out. We're going to set the camera up so I can use both hands. So we're going to do the back door first because it's going to be the easiest one, I do believe. And you're going to have this little cap right here. You're going to want to get in behind it. Let the door be open so that I can actually get some pressure on it one-handed. And you may be able to just get your fingernails under it. Pop that off. Okay. Let's see if this will focus on that. Without the sun getting too much in your way. Well, sorry about the sun glare, but see, there is a T30 screw right inside that hole. So what we're going to do is you're going to get your T30 bit and you're going to loosen that, and it's not going to come out all the way because there's stoppers in there. And then you'll be able to wiggle this cap right here and get that off. So let's get our T30 bit and I'll show y'all what we're going to do next. So we got our new handle here. Just going to slide it in there, positioned right. There we go. Nice and flush. Just get a little bit of oomph. There you go. Well, I'm gonna have to pull that back out, I think, a little bit. My spacer shim thing here moved on me. Yeah. I think that might have been what was causing me a little bit of trouble on it from the get-go. There we go. Good and smooth. Got it that time. Alright, so we got the camera set up. And you're just going to want to take one of your little caps here. So I can use both hands on this. Check T30 bit out all the way. Same little screw. There it goes. Just like that. Wipe it off. And what you're going to get is there's going to be this little piece here. That's where your T30 bit's going to screw in. And we'll bring the camera in here. And there's your bit. Or your screw, excuse me, right there. And it's just going to be that one right inside that hole there. I'll set the camera back down. And then what you want to do is you want to get a good little firm grip on this handle here and just pull it straight back. You hear a pop. And it just comes right on out of there. There's your handle. Okay, so don't be a dumbass like me and pull your screw out, because I just had to pull open the door panel to even get to it. Alright, so this may not be 100% right, what I did, but I fished the screw out so because I guess during the manufacturing process, they got see what we can get.
Plastic or whatever this stuff actually is really made out of, down in threads. So I fished the screw out so that I could kind of get it started with threads. It's not 100% perfect, but hopefully it'll go on easier now. So let's see if we can get
this
it put
one's
in.
gonna be a little bit different.
And I just did what I didn't want to. I dropped it down into the door panel.
Should be enough. We just may wait.
Alright. So here's where you get your difference.
Driver's side.
This one's got the whole lock assembly. You got a little clip right here we're going to have to pop out, and then it just seats in down there at the bottom. Or side, I guess it would be.
One, running out of daylight. Two, running out of patience. Probably more so running out of patience than daylight. So we're going to fight with this and get it back in, but that's kind of the gist of it. We'll come back tomorrow, put the driver's side
so
on.
just pop that little
It's
clip
just going
off.
to have to look funky for a day.
Cover comes
Have
right
three
off.
painted in one chrome, but we'll get back to it.
Get our new one. And it should clip in just the same way. Got it backwards. And there you got it. So we're gonna set this in front. And it's up, working just like the others. Up. Comes out. New one. Up. Back in. That's a piece. Like that. Almost forgot where I put the doors. Pocket. Hooked up. Make sure that another piece back in. Which works. I think that's going to do it for this video. Installing new color matched mirror caps and color matched door handles on the Tundra. We ended up, like I said, getting these off of Amazon. I believe the brand was Kogem, K-O-J-E-M. I'll put a link in the description, and that way if you guys want to check these out. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 on color because it matches really, really good. My truck's magnetic gray metallic, and I went with their dark gray, which they may just not actually call it by name for who knows what reason. But it matches really good. The only reason that I say 9 out of 10 is because I'm not sure of the long-term effects of the sun on them. I don't think they'll fade, but I don't know if I really want to give it 10 out of 10. As far as fitment goes, I'm going to say it's probably a 9 out of 10 on the mirror caps. I've got one that it just barely sticks out just a little bit past being flush, and I don't know if that's just because of the way it's molded or what. And then the door handles, probably a 7.5 out of 10, just because I had some issues with those little cap pieces, and that bolt, screw, however you wanted to call it, didn't want to go in just perfect, and we had to fight with it for a little bit. Install, I would probably say on a scale of easy to hard, it would be more on the easy side. Definitely something that doesn't require a whole lot of mechanical knowledge. Just got to be patient and look at it. So I think that's going to cut it for this. If y'all have any questions that I might have missed, please feel free to comment and ask. I'll answer them best I can. But with that being said, we're going to call this one a close. See you next time.